When it comes to door repairs, durability is paramount. Whether it's your front door, a patio slider, or an interior door, the materials you choose can make a significant difference in the longevity and performance of the repair. For residents of Sanford, where the climate and wear and tear can test the resilience of home structures, selecting the right materials is even more crucial. Here's a guide to help you make informed decisions for durable and long-lasting door repairs. Understanding your needs before diving into material choices, it's important to evaluate the type of repair required. Is the damage structural, aesthetic, or functional? For instance, structural damage may call for reinforcing or replacing the frame or panels. Aesthetic concerns could involve repairing scratches, dents, or chipped paint. Functional issues might require work on hinges, locks, or ceiling components. Knowing the problem will help you focus on the right materials for the job. Climate considerations in Sanford. Sanford's humid subtropical climate, with its hot summers and occasional tropical storms, demands materials that can withstand moisture, heat, and high winds. Choosing materials resistant to these elements is essential for ensuring that your door repair stands the test of time. Top material options for durable door repair. Solid wood. Pros. A classic choice for doors, solid wood is strong, insulating, and aesthetically pleasing. High-quality hardwoods like oak, mahogany, and teak are particularly durable. Cons. Wood is susceptible to moisture damage, so it's important to apply a weather-resistant finish, especially in Sanford's humid climate. Best uses. Front doors, decorative panels, and areas where aesthetics are a priority. Steel. Pros. Steel is highly durable, resistant to warping, and offers excellent security. Modern steel doors often come with rust-resistant coatings, making them suitable for moisture-prone environments. Cons. Prone to dents and scratches, which may require touch-ups. Best uses. Entry doors and areas requiring enhanced security. Fiberglass. Pros. This material is lightweight, highly durable, and resistant to dents, rust, and moisture. Fiberglass doors can also mimic the look of wood, combining durability with visual appeal. Cons. Can be more expensive than other options. Best uses. Entry doors and areas exposed to extreme weather conditions. Aluminum. Pros. Aluminum is corrosion resistant, lightweight, and low maintenance. It's a great option for areas with high humidity. Cons. Not as strong as steel and can be prone to dents. Best uses. Patio doors and lightweight interior doors. Composite materials. Pros. Composite doors combine materials like wood, PVC, and insulation for enhanced durability and performance. They're resistant to weather and wear. Cons. Higher upfront costs compared to single material doors. Best uses. High traffic areas and doors needing superior insulation. Tempered glass. Pros. For doors with glass panels, tempered glass is much stronger than regular glass and safer as it breaks into small granules rather than sharp shards. Cons. Glass requires regular cleaning and is less insulative and less double glaze. Best uses: patio doors and decorative elements. Hardware and accessories. Durable door repairs aren't just about the main materials. The hardware plays a vital role too. Opt for stainless steel or brass hinges, locks, and screws to ensure resistance to rust and wear. Weather stripping and seals made from silicone or rubber are ideal for keeping out moisture and drafts. Maintenance tips for longevity. Once your door repair is complete, regular maintenance can significantly extend its lifespan. Clean and inspect. Routinely clean the door and check for signs of wear or damage. Apply protective coatings. Use weather-resistant paints, stains, or sealants to shield materials from Sanford's climate. Lubricate hardware. Prevent squeaking and rust by applying lubricant to hinges and locks. Check seals and weather stripping. Ensure they're intact to keep moisture and drafts at bay. Work with a professional. While DIY repairs can be effective for minor issues, professional expertise is invaluable for complex or large-scale repairs. A skilled repair technician will know how to choose the best materials and techniques for your specific needs, ensuring a result that's both durable and visually appealing. Conclusion: choosing durable materials for door repairs is a smart investment that saves time and money in the long run. For Sanford homeowners, understanding the demands of the local climate and prioritizing quality materials ensures that your doors remain functional and attractive for years to come. Whether you're tackling repairs yourself or hiring a professional, remember that durability begins with the right materials and proper maintenance.